thank you for joining us today. My name's Naomi and I'm here at the Harlingen Public Library, and I'm here with Margaret, and we're gonna go ahead and do a cake decorating demonstration for you. It's not overly complicated at all. We're not experts by any means, but I'll go ahead and let Margaret explain to you exactly what you'll be needing for this class.
Okay, so first we're gonna be using a basic white sheet cake, also scissors. These are your tips for decorating. We just found several little single ones. You can use it comes with it, this little plastic thing with all your tubes in it. There's like five or six.
I think that's fine.
And if you want, also you can use bags. We prefer the big ones. Okay, and just regular icing. This is just regular creamy frosting. We picked white, brown, and strawberry to decorate.
What I do suggest is with these bags, make sure you get the thicker ones. There's some that are like for freezer. Use those because they're a little thicker and that doesn't bust when you're opening them. I usually use the disposable cake ones, but if you don't have that, you don't need to go out and buy. These are actually pretty cheap. But if you actually really want the really nice silver tip ones, I really suggest doing those with that. Everything will look a little bit more.
Those you can find
fancier
at your favorite craft stores. These we found at grocery stores. So first, if we're gonna start doing with the frosting with just a regular bag. We're just gonna cut the tip, not too big and not too little, because you want your tips to fit perfect. So I am going to do one that looks almost like a flower, and you're just going to drop your tip in here, force it in there. So I usually get a cup, put my freezer bag inside, just like that, and now you can put your frosting any color you want, of course. Don't overfill it because then it will start oozing out from the very top.
I've noticed if it's a little creamy like this is a little too sticky, so it's going to be hard to make your flowers or whatever you want to do with it. So I'm going to put a little bit of powdered sugar just to make it a little thicker.
Right. Good idea. Okay, so when you're ready to start decorating, don't decorate your cake yet. Try to get a wax paper or a plate or something just to play with it. So once you've got your design that you like and there's no bubbles in your icing, you can start decorating your cake. Okay?
See how it's a little thicker than it was?
Yeah.
It's not as gooey. I haven't played around with this in a while. So I usually, instead of going straight to my cake, I'll do it on the side just to get more comfortable with it. There's some really easy ones. You just can go
in circles
and just do it. Those would be really cute on the outside.
If you do make a mistake, get a butter knife, one of these spatulas on your cake, and you don't like the way it looks, just take it off. You can either just smooth it out with your finger or get a paper towel, and it'll come up right off. I'm going to start decorating my cake on the bottom with little stars. More decorations on top of the pink. Okay, so I'm gonna start writing something on my cake.
I'm gonna add more stuff to my cake. Yeah. I like extra.
I know, right? Who doesn't?
So I'm going to start decorating mine a little bit with some extra little sprinkles on the side. This is what the kids would like to do.
Oh, yeah.
Just do some sprinkles.
So I got mine ready. It's done. It's just a little cake. HPL, Harlingen Public Library.
And that's how
Very pretty.
You know that what I did once, and I actually used these actually. I mixed half and half of pink and this, and I'm gonna do it right now and show you. Half of the bag I did
Okay, so it's
swirls.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Okay, so let me just show you really quick
Yeah.
how I did it. So I used some of the pink inside the bag. And you know what? Better to put it inside the cup. It makes it easier. And I put it more to one side, on this side. You see how I'm doing it on one side?
Yeah. But you don't mix it, correct?
No, you don't mix it. Okay. Then, doesn't matter if you still have some. You're gonna go ahead and push it into
Okay.
the other one.
Right.
On the other side. You see how pretty that looks? Let's see. There it goes. You see how both colors came out? So when both came out, and then it's a very simple way to decorate, and it looks very professional.
It
When you
does.
start running out, you can put some more in there. You can just finish up the cake like that, and it looks beautiful.
Perfect.
This is just a very simple way of decorating homemade little cakes, and I hope you guys enjoyed the little tips that we had for you. Thank you for spending the time with us.
And if you like this or any of the DIY crafts we're doing, let us know. Give us a share or a comment on our Facebook, and we'll try to answer you all. All right, so thank you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.